Emotional freedom techniques, or EFT tapping, can be used to eliminate food cravings as the first step in a three-part process to lose weight using EFT. To begin, we're just going to imagine a scenario where you're driving in your car and you get a stressful phone call and you pull off the side of the road at a convenience store to handle the call. Due to the stress of the nature of the call, you feel compelled to walk into the convenience store looking for some junk food to sedate yourself with. You find a large bag or container of your junk food of choice, and imagine what you would choose if you walked into a store like that. Then rate your craving for that food on a scale of 0 to 10 if you were really stressed. Would you eat the entire bag? What would happen? And once you've done that, then we're going to use a setup phrase to start the tapping process. And we're going to first say, find the sore spot, which is on below your collarbones. And below your collarbones, walk down onto your chest until you find a tender spot between the ribs and intercostal muscles. And you're just going to rub and say the setup phrase, even though I crave this junk food when I'm stressed, I deeply and completely accept myself. 2 more times. Even though I crave this junk food when I'm stressed, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I crave this junk food when I'm stressed, I deeply and completely accept myself. And as we're tapping through this, you're focusing on your particular junk food. And we're going to do tapping on the acupuncture points, color breathing, therapeutic shaking, and self-hypnosis with visualization as we go through the process. So we're going to start by just tapping on with the 2 fingers on the eyebrow point and just say, crave junk food when I'm stressed. Side of your eye, crave junk food when I'm stressed. Under your eye, crave junk food when I'm stressed. Under your nose, crave junk food when I'm stressed. On your chin, crave junk food when I'm stressed. Collarbone, crave junk food when I'm stressed. You can cross over to the other side here. Under your arm, crave junk food when I'm stressed. And below your breast, crave junk food when I'm stressed. And top of your head, crave junk food when I'm stressed. And then breathe in your favorite color, a healing color that was calming color. And then breathe out the craving, anxiety color. I'm going to switch hands and go to the opposite side and start with the same phrase, and then we're going to awfulize and exaggerate the feelings. So start with crave junk food when I'm stressed. Side of your eye, I got to have it now. Under your eye, nothing else will do. Under your nose, I need to sedate myself. On your chin, I need a quick sugar fix. Collarbone, I don't care if it won't last. Nothing else will do. And I need it right now. Under your breast and the top of your head, terrible craving for junk food when I'm stressed. And then deep breath in and out again with the soothing color in and craving color going out. Then we're going to switch back to the original side, and we're going to do the neutralize step. We're going to go back and forth. It's going to get kind of crazy. Just play along. So starting the eyebrow point again. Crave junk food when I'm stressed. Side of your eye, it's gone. I'm healed. Under your eye, that sounds like bullshit. Under your nose, I did maybe take the edge off the craving. Chin, but I'm not sure tapping can possibly do that. Collarbone, if it did work, that would be great. Under your arm, I would need some proof. Below your breast, if it did work, that would be amazing. I would love to let go of those cravings. Top of your head, I'm curious to see what's going to happen. And deep breath in and out again. And then we're going to switch and focus on the positive now. So on the eyebrow point again, I want emotional freedom now. Side of your eye, I'm letting go of the cravings. I'm making healthy food choices. I'm losing weight easily. I'm going back to my ideal weight. It's going to be easier than I thought. I'm going to use this for all my cravings. And I'm going to look forward to losing this weight. And I'm going to have fun doing it. Deep breath in and out now. And just keep breathing in and out. Get that favorite color, soothing color moving through your whole body. Down your arms, into your hands. Let your hands shake by your side. Let the color go down your legs, into your feet, out into the ground. Just keep the energy moving as fast as you breathe, as fast the energy will move through your body. So just keep it moving, shake it out. And when you're done shaking, Just got everything out that you need to get out. Just let yourself settle down and tune into your body. Just do a body scan and check, is there any craving stuck anywhere in your body? And notice how that body feels. If you need to breathe any that soothing color down into that area of your body, go ahead and do that now. And then go ahead and go to a place out in nature that's a nice healing place for you, any place of your choice. Go there now, use all 5 of your senses to imagine being there. While you're there, look around on the ground for a recycling tool, an object you can use as a healing object. Pick it up, hold it in your hand, and then drain any of the cravings you have left into that object. And once you've done that, release it back to the earth and let it be recycled and turned into compost. Having done that, then you can invite your healing spirit guide to come and visit you and give you some advice on how to continue your healing process in losing weight. And I recommend either a being from the other side, an angel, a spirit animal, or a wise ancestor. Once they've arrived, take the first one that volunteers. Ask them for some advice on how to let go of the cravings and to lose weight. And once you've had a chance to dialogue with them, then we're going to go back in the time machine into your past. Go back as far as you need to go to get to where you're at your ideal weight. And remember what it was like to be in that kind of body, eating healthily, and just tune into that feeling and imagine someone took a picture of you back then, and we're going to put a picture frame around it that's a particular color. So think of a color that reminds you of being healthy back at that age, and put that color around your picture frame. Breathe that color into your body wherever it needs to go. Put that picture frame up on your wall so you can always remember what it was like to be back at your ideal weight. Then we're going to go forward in time to the last time you had a craving for that junk food when you were stressed and you ate the whole bag or whatever you usually did. So reimagine that scene. You get to rewrite that scene, that you were stressed and then you made different choices. You did some tapping, you did some color breathing, you did any number of other things other than act on the craving. And notice how the craving starts to shift. Just reimagine that any way you would like to have occurred. Once you've done that to your satisfaction, now project yourself into the future where the craving is gone and you're actually losing weight and moving toward your ideal weight. In this future scenario, we're going to do a mindful eating exercise where you imagine you're stressed and you encounter this container of junk food once again. And this time you're going to look at the bag, open it up, smell inside, unwrap whatever's inside, hold it in your hand and take it up to your mouth and just take it to your lips, smell it maybe, and then just put it in your lips, but don't put it in your mouth. Then gradually put it in your mouth, hold it in your mouth, do not bite it, just let it roll around your mouth. Then take one bite, but don't chew it up. Just let it sit there. Notice the sensations that you're experiencing as you're tasting this junk food, and notice how the quality of it, how it feels, and what your experience is. And then go ahead and chew it up, but don't swallow it. Once you finish chewing it up, then swallow it. Once you've completed that process, then look back in the bag and ask yourself, do I really want to have another one or not? And remember that the most powerful marketing slogan in food industry history is, you can't eat just one from Lay's potato chips. So we're going to shift that to one and done. And eventually the goal is that you'll actually forget that you used to crave that particular junk food. And having done that, you can assess your degree of craving right now on a scale of 0 to 10. And then I'll mention what the next 2 steps are that I'm going to make more videos about. The next step would be to remember what happened to you last time your ideal weight that caused you to put on the weight as a form of emotional baggage or protection. So that'll be the focus of the second video. Then the third video was is going to be imagining your weight loss goals and then thinking of what the barriers are to those. And we're going to work on eliminating the barriers. So that's the basic process for losing weight with EFT. And this cravings video will get you started. If you want more information about my workshops or coaching, go to larryburk.com, where you can also find some of my blogs and other videos. So thanks for tapping with me today. See you next time.